simple application that checks the stock value and texts somebody the hey guys, this is Solomon. Today I'm going to show you something simple, which is I'm going to take a simple application that is running on my desktop and I'm just going to deploy it in the cloud on Bluemix on the WebSphere Application Server. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to go between your desktop and the cloud. So let's get started. So here's my Eclipse environment. As you can see in here, I have an installation of the Liberty server on my desktop. I have the application installed on it. I'm just going to literally go ahead and run that application quickly just to show you that it is going to run. And I'm going to pick the local server where it's going to be running. And voila, here's the application. And if I enter the value, it's the IBM for the stock, my phone number. And as you can see in here, it's just going to go ahead and retrieve the value, come back to me, tell me here's the stock value as of January 23rd at 1:49 p.m., which is the time right now. Next, I'm going to take that same application and I'm going to deploy it on Bluemix using the tools within the Eclipse environment. And let me show you how easy that is. So if I go to the servers, as you can see, I already have a Bluemix server created. This is just a connection to the to Bluemix PaaS environment from IBM. I'm just going to literally take that application that I just deployed that I ran locally, and I'm just going to drag it into the Bluemix icon. And as you can see, this will initiate the deployment of that application. It tells me this is the name of it, and I say yes, it is. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to show you, if I look at my Bluemix environment, just take this one quickly so I can show you how that works, that the application doesn't exist there. I go to bluemix.net. I'm going to log into my application. And as you can see, here's my Bluemix environment. I do not have the application that I'm about to install. We're going to come back to the dashboard and you'll see the application here and we can run it. So let's get going. So I'll come back in here. The name of the application, leave it as is, go next. I'm not doing really anything in here other than just taking the defaults. I do want to make sure that I pick the right naming, which is I'm going to do my bluemix.net for the domain. And then I'm just going to go next. It will install it. It will take a couple of minutes here for it to be deployed. It's actually going to take that application and put it over to the Bluemix environment. And as you can see, this is happening. Now, if I go back to my Bluemix, as you can see already, here is my application. It is being staged right now and installed. A few things will happen. It's, as you can tell, this application is running on a Java runtime, which is Liberty in this case. It is going to create a Liberty instance under the covers, and it's going to stage it, and it's going to install the application there and get it working. Okay, and as you can see now, the application is running. If I go back to my Eclipse environment, the tooling tells me everything seems to be working just fine. And now I can go ahead and click on that application. A couple of things you're going to see in here. It's going to give you the URL to run the application. So if I really want to run it, I just click on this particular instance, and I'll add exactly the stock servlet, which is what I'm trying to run. And as you can see, I have the application running. It is running on Bluemix at this point. I can type IBM. I can add my number. If you guys actually have access so you can see my phone, you will see that I will receive that text message. And as you can see, it's just going to go ahead and install it. And it says as of 1:54 p.m., which is the current time right now, the value is 122. And as you can see, I just ran that simple application without having to do anything hard to actually move it from my local desktop into the cloud. The other point I want to mention very quickly, which is the fact that you can have multiple instances running. It's literally a matter of adding more instances and add more memory if you want to. I hope you enjoyed this quick video just to give you an idea of how to move an application from your local desktop to Bluemix to maybe if you want to demo it to somebody or what have you.